Love doing your own nails at home? Here are 3 things no one tells you about DIY gel kits and how to get the same salon results safely without spending thousands of dollars on courses. Here's something no one tells you when you buy those at-home gel kits. Gel doesn't dry, it cures. It's liquid plastic that hardens under UV light. It feels hard at 55% cured, but it's only safe at 95%. Professional brands test their gels with their lamps to make sure they reach a full cure. That's why those lamps cost hundreds of dollars. The $50 kit you got online, it just doesn't have that kind of testing or power behind it. Cheap lamps don't have the power, consistency, or testing to guarantee a full cure. So what's left on your nails? Liquid plastic, sitting there for weeks. To make other plastic products, like, for example, an ice cream container, they pour liquid plastic into a mold and then cure it. That bucket of liquid plastic, would you put your hand in it? Would you leave your hand there for 2 or 3 weeks? You wouldn't, because you can imagine what it would do to your skin. So why risk putting a half-cured version of that on your nails for weeks? You can wear gel safely, and you don't need a $600 lamp. You just need to know which products are actually safe to use together and how. Cheap brands know you don't know what you're doing and will treat gel like normal nail polish. They also know that means it won't last, and if it doesn't last, you won't buy it again. So, they load their products with adhesive ingredients that will bypass your lack of skill and education and make it stick. The problem? Some high adhesion ingredients like HEMA are known allergens that build up in your system to create permanent allergies. Once you react, you can't use gel again, even salon brands. We didn't have this level of education in 2007 when I first trained, and I wasn't careful. I didn't wear gloves. Fast forward to my sister having to help me unbutton my jeans at a party so I could go to the toilet because the movement of trying to grip the button hurt my fingertips, cracked my knuckles open, and I was in tears. Don't be like me. Pro-only products use safer formulas, but you need training to access them because these brands know unsafe practices ruin their reputation and will only sell to those who know how to use them safely. Cheap brands don't care. Undercured gel? It peels off. A quick paint before I head out? It peels off. Every time you peel your gel off, you're removing layers of natural nail plate. Professional prep prepares the top layers of the nail plate, not the whole thing, just the top layers, infuses liquid plastic within your nail plate, then cures. The molecules tightening around the keratin cells. When you soak that off safely, the molecules release and your nail is left in perfect, yes, it should be perfect, condition. When you peel it off, those layers it was stuck to come with it. Even if it's a home kit and it barely stuck, it's still stuck, essentially inside your nail, just less of it, and those layers are still coming off. Now, because it comes off so quickly, you're redoing it more often, spending more per manicure, losing more layers of nail every time, and eventually potentially leading to things like onycholysis, where your nail starts to separate from your finger. Pro gels last weeks, not days, so you actually save money and nail plate. What's the solution? Education. But you don't need to spend thousands on a full qualification. You do need to know what you're doing, and we're going to reward you for it. Enroll in our safe at-home gel application course, and we'll give you self-guided online learning for long-lasting, safe gel nails. Do it at your own pace, do a good job, and we'll give you free shit. Pass our online theory test from home with unlimited attempts, and we will send you a professional color gloss complete intro kit for free. Later, pass your online gel manicure assessment to earn a certificate online over Zoom, and not only will you get a goodie bag from us with samples of lots of pro-only products, but you'll also gain access to professional-only products from trusted brands. It's $299 up front or $29 a week for 14 weeks. You already love doing nails. Let's make sure they're safe, strong, and long-lasting.